Ireland's governing party, Fine Gael, has named Simon Harris as its new leader, paving the way for him to succeed former Prime Minister Leo Varadkar as the youngest Taoiseach in Irish history at age 37. Varadkar announced his surprise resignation on Wednesday, citing personal and political, but mainly political reasons. He had made headlines in 2017 when, aged 38, he became the youngest Prime Minister in Irish history at that time. It's the absolute honor of my life to formally be here with you today in Athlone to accept the leadership of this great party, of our great party, said Harris in his acceptance speech at a Fine Gael party conference in the Irish county of Westmeath on Sunday. Harris pledged to reciprocate the trust of his party members with unwavering dedication, promising to toil tirelessly day in and day out with diligence, humility, and respect. His key priorities, he emphasized, would be reinforcing law and order, formulating a more strategic and sustainable immigration policy, and staunchly combating the perils of populism. His imminent elevation to the position of Taoiseach, slated for April 9 upon the return of the Dáil, marks the culmination of an extraordinary journey. Born in 1986, Harris spent his formative years in the picturesque coastal town of Greystones near Dublin, the son of a taxi driver. Opting to forego his pursuit of a degree in journalism and French after just 1 year, he redirected his focus towards a burgeoning political career. His entry into politics was fueled by advocacy for improved autism services, driven by his desire to support his younger autistic brother, eventually leading to the establishment of a charitable organization. Entering the political arena through Fine Gael's youth wing at the tender age of 16, Harris rapidly ascended the party hierarchy. By 22, he had secured a position as a country councillor, and by 24, he had become the youngest MP in the Dáil, earning the affectionate moniker Baby of the Dáil. His ascent continued unabated when, at the youthful age of 29, he was appointed as the Minister for Health in 2016. Harris served as Health Minister for more than 4 years, including during the COVID pandemic, in which his communication skills were praised despite heavy criticism over nursing home deaths and occasional gaffes. Married to a cardiac nurse and devoted father of two, Harris has distinguished himself as one of Ireland's most prominent political figures, leveraging the power of social media to amplify his presence. Particularly active on platforms like TikTok, his engaging content has propelled him into the limelight, garnering an impressive 1.4 million likes on the platform. With a substantial following on X and Instagram as well, Harris connects with his audience on a daily basis, sharing updates, insights, and glimpses into his personal and professional life. His adept use of social media has not only enhanced his visibility but also facilitated direct communication with constituents, marking him as a trailblazer in modern political engagement.